Hey guys, it's Kath. Welcome back to my channel. Your girl is back with another video. Is that 2 in 1 week? Who is she? Who am I? Honestly, I don't even recognize myself. Honestly guys, my goal has definitely been to give you guys videos every week, but life has been super hectic right now and I've been working on some videos that have been taking a lot of time, but it will be well worth the wait, believe me. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit that little subscribe button down below if you haven't already and join the family. I post videos about family, fashion, beauty, and a whole lot of Jesus, so make sure you're staying tuned. And then press the little bell button next to the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I post a new video and you're not left behind. Alright, so we're about to head into this makeup look. If you want to see this festival-inspired hair tutorial, I'm going to link that right over here and link that down below for you guys, so make sure you check that out after this. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So in this video, we're going to be using a lot of my favorites. So we're going to start off with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Poreless Face Primer and apply that all over my face. And lately I've been breaking out, so I'm just going to take an orange concealer to color correct and then apply that all over any discoloration and scars. And this is just going to help cancel out those dark spots. For foundation, I'm going to use the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the shade T90 and blend that into the skin. This is also one of my favorites, guys. I feel like for my combination skin, this just works so perfectly. I love the finish. And for concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Tan Sand and applying that all over the high points of my face. This has to be one of my favorite new concealers. And guys, it's only $6. I love this stuff. And I'm going to set that with the Beauty Bakery Flour Setting Powder in Translucent to set my under eyes and the rest of my face, wherever I usually get creasing or wrinkles. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Benefit Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Dallas. This is actually my first time ever using this shade. I usually love the Hoola bronzer, but I really love this Dallas one. I feel like it has just a little bit of a deeper tone that works really well with my skin complexion. This is just bringing in some color back into the face. And then using the same concealer as an eye primer, I'm just going to prep my eyes for our eyeshadow. And this is going to help the pigment pop and just have the eyeshadow last all day. And now for the best part, the beautiful new nude palette from Huda Beauty. Oh, I am so in love with this palette, guys. I bought it when it first came out, but I thought I lost it. And as I was going through some unopened packages a few weeks ago, I found it. It's so drop dead gorgeous. Oh, so obsessed. So for our transition shade, we're going to start with Teddy in the crease, slowly building that up, and then we're going to bring the shade Tickle onto the lid and start blending that into the crease shade just to give it more dimension. Then start packing on the shade Raw onto the lid and making sure each shade blends beautifully. Now in the center of the lid, we're just going to add the shade Daydream with your finger. This is such a beautiful color, and I find that it applies better when I use my finger. And now I'm just going to deepen up the inner and outer corners by adding more of the Love Bite shade and just blending that to make sure it's seamless. It's pretty much like a halo eye look. For eyeliner, I'm using a white liner from Rimmel to create a wing-shaped liner, but instead of the basic wing, we're going to just start drawing on dots. So creating the wing shape, but with dots, if that makes sense. Take your time with this step, and if you're not happy with the location of a dot, then just wipe it off and keep going. It's fairly easy, so don't be intimidated. Now I'm taking my Baddie lashes from Baddie B, which are my new favorites. I bought 3 of them, so I'm hoping they last me a few months because I'm obsessed. For the bottom lash line, I'm just going to take the shades Raw and Love Bite, blend it in, and then take the BADGAL Bang Mascara from Benefit for those lashes and the brows. This helps give me that feathery brow look, and I feel like it works way better than any brow gel. Y'all should already know that this is my ride or die mascara. And for the waterline, I'm just going to use the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Liner in Silver Metallic just to open up the eye a little, and then use the Full Spectrum Glow Palette in Rose Rush to highlight those inner corners, the brow bone, and the rest of the face. Guys, this highlight is so incredibly pigmented. Like, if you don't tap the excess off your brush, you will legit blind people. Okay, it is that serious. I wanted a little more pop in the inner corners of the eye, so I'm taking the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati to seal the deal. And then now I'm taking the new Dazzle drops from MAC Cosmetics and applying that to my collarbone and my chest. And oh my gosh, guys, do you see that though? This pink reflex got me, guys. Oh, Oh, it is so beautiful. I'm gonna be rocking this all spring and summer. I'm obsessed. To finish off the look, I'm taking some gems and little floral stickers I bought from Michael's Arts and Crafts store and just having fun with the placement. Really, you can do whatever you want here. I just wanted to add some faux freckles with the gems, and I think that came out really cute. Prepping my lips with the Laneige lip sleeping mask, which honestly I can't go a day without. I bought two, so I always have one at home and one wherever I go. And then for the lippy, I'm using the MYOB liquid lipstick in the shade Murphy, and then topping it off with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy, and then that's it. Here's the finished look. Guys, that's it for this makeup look. I hope you loved it as much as I did. If you try to recreate this look, please let me know and tag me in your Instagram post. I would love to see it and show some love and support. Festival season is all about having fun with makeup and just being creative. So go get your makeup, get your jewels, and have some fun, and make sure to tag me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and click the little bell button so you're notified whenever I post a new video. If you want to see the hair tutorial for this look, again, I'm gonna link it down below, and I'm gonna put it right here so it's easy for you. Just click it right there and it'll bring you right to the video. I love you guys so much, but more importantly, Jesus loves you like crazy. I will see you in the next video. Be blessed.